Hey everyone, it's Tactical, and today I was going to talk about a feature on the iPhone that comes in handy all of the time for me. And this is nothing new, but there are people out there that are not tech savvy and can use a video to help with small features like this. So let's get started. First of all, when you have your iPhone screen unlocked, what you do is you swipe down from the top right of the screen, and that brings you to the control center. And once you're in the control center, then you click on the tab that has the moon on it and the word focus beside it. If you want to immediately turn do not disturb on, then hit the circle with the moon in it and it will turn it on right then. However, if you want to further set up the do not disturb feature, then click the box next to the moon. And once you do that, that will bring you to the different focus settings, which are do not disturb, personal, driving, and work. And you can set up different do not disturbs based on what you might be doing. So like if you're out for a drive and you don't want to wreck your car, then you might want to turn on the driving do not disturb. You could also select who can still text you and call you in this section. So if there was an emergency from your family member, they could easily get through to you even with the do not disturb feature turned on. For this video though, I'm just going to talk about the do not disturb section and how to set it up. You can choose how long you want do not disturb to be on for, such as 1 hour or until this evening or until I leave this location. And the way the leave this location one works is it's GPS based. So if you're sitting at home and then all of a sudden your phone detects that you're on another street, then it'll turn off the do not disturb. You can also choose from a list of people for which ones you either want to silence notifications from or allow notifications from. So for example, I allow notifications from all my family members, but silence everyone else. Or you can have it reversed, where the names in the list that you choose allows texts and calls from everyone else. But so that you silence all calls from the people in the list. But the way I do it is I allow all calls and texts from people that are on my list, so that way I can choose who I want to hear from. And the way you set that up, what you do is you just click on that plus button and add the people that you want from your contacts list. You can even customize the home screen so that your home screen is less distracting on all your devices, iPhone or watch. And that's real helpful. Let's say you're doing a bunch of work or you're doing homework and don't want these apps sending you alerts or notifications, or some of your buddies texting you, then that do not disturb feature really comes in handy. Also, what I've done is every night between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. I have do not disturb to automatically come on, and that way I don't get notifications from different apps in the middle of the night, or phone calls or spam calls or texts from people that I don't even want to talk to. Well, I appreciate y'all watching the video. And yeah, please hit that subscribe button. I need the support from everybody, and that'll help my channel grow and help me put out more videos. So thanks for watching, and everybody have a good day.